Lakas ng kantang Visa? Inilabas na? Well, eto nga kaya iyon? Narito po ang naging mensahe ng nasabi nga pong post ni Charmaine Marquez kung saan nakalagay dito ang theory about at SB19 officials visa and the photo concepts. Justin, all these colors yet waipek, wala pa rin dating. Creativity everywhere but no platform to be seen. Ken, all these years yet waipek, wala pa rin dating. May teamwork, may sistema, pero kulang sa gasolina to keep it running. Still, all these notes yet waipek, wala pa rin dating. There are ideas, wisdom, experiences, but no resources to bring them to life. Josh, all these tools yet waipek, wala pa rin dating. There are skills and talent, but no capital to maximize them. Pablo, all these connections, yet waipek, wala pa rin dating. There's a network, there are linkages, but no real access that truly opens doors. Baka naman kailangan lang ng visa, not just a visa that lets you cross borders or visa that lets you pay, kundi visa. Visa na may pondo, visa na may suporta, visa na may sistema, visa na may pagkakataon. Because sometimes the problem isn't talent. It's not hard work. It's not ideas. What's missing is the power to execute. At doon, papasok yung tanong sa Micha. Performance ni at IMSCMC sa Fazone, ano ba ang problema? Anong pumipigil sa inyong gawin lahat ng gusto nyo? Takot ba? Oras ba? Pera. Malamang pera. Not money as greed, but money as access. Money as a bridge. Money as a door opener. Because visa is for travel, but visa is for impact. And when you have visa, you move. Kapag may visa ka na, may dating. Notes. Visa can have different meanings. It can be an official document or stamp placed in our passport that will allow us to enter, stay, or travel to another country. It can also refer to the global payment company Visa Inc., which many of us use to pay for things. Tagalog, a wordplay of visa is bisa, which means effect, force, validity, or impact. PS, visa and visa wordplay. Galawang Pablo Nase. Well, antayin na po natin ang February 2020 para po sa official release ng visa ng SB19. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching. Showbiz Now.